Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Christina, and today we're going to be multiplying some binomials. Oh my gosh. Are we going to cut that out? Absolutely not. But now I just created a new term, polynomial. I saw the word polynomial. I was seeing this at the same time. So let's just try it again, right? Today, we are going to be multiplying binomials. Oh my gosh. I'm caught. I'm going to try it one more time. We're going to be multiplying the binomials. All right. I have successfully did it, and now we're going to do the question. Okay, so let's multiply the binomial. Now, in mathematics or science, science talk, science terms, the term bi just means that you have two of something, right? But since we're in polynomial land, right, we're talking about multiple terms, so a binomial just would be something that has two different terms. And if we look at the exact question that we have here, 14p plus 7 times 14p minus 7, we have our binomials. So in this, right, we have 14p plus 7. Our first term is the one with the variable, that's the 14p, and then we just have a random 7, so that's the second term. Okay, they're multiplying each other, so let's go. Now, we've done tons of work on this channel, multiplying binomials, and we always want to be fair, right? Usually, we take our first term, we multiply it by all the terms in the second parenthesis, we take our second term, we multiply all of them in the second parentheses, and then you just simplify. But, just saying, when in doubt, you could always do that. But in this case, let's notice something peculiar about this question. Now, for this one, I notice that for both parentheses, we have this exact same first term, 14p and 14p. And for the last term, it's a 7 and a 7. The only difference is that one of them is plus and one of them is negative. And if you run into this case where you have the same identical first terms, the same identical last terms, the only difference is the sign, you can bypass being fair. Mainly because if everything is identical and you have one positive and one negative, things are going to start canceling out. I just want to point out here that if you had two positives, you cannot do this method. You must be fair because nothing is going to cancel. Now with this, all we have to worry about is reds go with reds and blues go with blues. So I'm just going to take my 14p and multiply it by 14p. Then 7 with the 7. We must take into consideration the signs though. So one is positive and one is negative. But let's do the reds first. 14 times 14. Ooh, 14 squared. 14 squared, anyone? Anyone? Yeah, you got it. 196. So 196. And now we got to multiply the variables. We got 1p over here. We got 2p over here. So we got pp. Yay. This video is going great. Anyway, you must collect them all. So if you have 1p and you got 2 p's, you got pp, you have 2 p's. So that would be represented by p squared. Your exponent will tell you how many you have. So 14p times 14p is 196p squared. Now let's work on the second term. We have a positive 7 times a negative 7. So that's going to be a negative. And then 7 times 7 is 49. And guess what? You're done. That's it. I just want to point out that notice how the p variable, whatever number goes in front of the p, cancels out, right? We just went from a p squared down to just a random number. There was no variable or no term that just had a p here because that one was the one that got canceled. So if you want, try it out the fairness way and see if you get the same answer. You should get the same exact answer. Let me know in the comments, okay? Love talking to you guys, and I try to get back to as many comments as I can in my spare time. So Thank you so much. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for using the channel. I really hope that you guys are getting great educational content out there from us. My brother and I, we truly do appreciate all you guys. And we want to be the guide to help you reach your goals and reach your dreams, your academic aspirations. So at the moment, we got math, physics, and chemistry videos on the channel with more subjects in the future to help you guys out. So yeah, check us out. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.